Welcome back to your favorite channel, Art and More. I'm super excited because today we're going to draw something really amazing. So grab your pencil, eraser, and colors. Let's get ready and say it together. Let's draw! Now follow me step by step. Draw slowly and properly. No rush. If you want, you can pause the video and draw with me. Try your best. It's okay to make mistakes. We're learning and having fun. Fill it with beautiful colors. Use your favorite colors or follow mine. Both will look great. Star. Color neatly and stay inside the lines. Clap. Wow, your drawing must be looking fantastic already. I love drawing and I hope you do too. You can show your drawing to your family and friends. They'll be proud of you. And remember, practice makes perfect, so keep drawing every day. Want more fun drawings? Check out my previous videos. They are full of creativity.